What's up, universe? Adam from Starforge Systems here. Today, I want to pull back the curtain and talk a little bit about how we create, advertise, and show off the incredible products we build. So much of what we do at Starforge falls under the creative umbrella. That includes product photography, artwork for collaborations, TikToks, and even instructional videos that are more customer-facing. And here's the thing, most of it's done in-house by a small, dedicated team. It's only possible because we got some of the best people in the business working with the best tools. Working for a system integrator like Starforge definitely comes with its perks. We use a lot of our own Explorer and Voyage-aligned PCs powered by Nvidia GeForce RTX 50 series graphics cards. Those cards are the backbone of the Nvidia Studio platform, pairing the power of GeForce RTX GPUs and their dedicated tensor cores with Nvidia Studio drivers to deliver accelerated, stable performance across all of our creative applications. That performance is crucial to everything we do, from designing a web page to creating case prints. And yes, we've got a ton of those. When it comes to designing case prints, our team relies heavily on Adobe Photoshop, and every project's different. Our original artwork is always human-made, but when it comes to IP collaborations, deadlines and approvals can pile up fast. That's where AI-powered tools come in handy. Not for generating art, never for generating art, but for streamlining the creative process. We'll get a bunch of art assets from our partner, and keeping those elements true to the IP is absolutely critical. If we need to isolate one element or change a background, tools like object selection or background removal save hours of manual work. With the help of tensor cores on RTX GPUs, these AI-powered tools handle complex tasks like that in just a single click. And it doesn't stop there. Getting colors exactly right is a huge part of our job, especially when we're matching tones from an existing IP. Our artists use the Nvidia Studio accelerated harmonized neural filter in Photoshop to color match assets perfectly. It might sound small, but getting the shade of green or blue exactly right makes all the difference. Now, just to be clear, we don't use AI to generate art. At Starforge, we firmly believe in original, human-made artwork. We've worked with some incredible artists over the years, and we plan to keep doing so. Let's talk about videos, like the one we released for our product launches or collaborations. We shoot everything in 4K, which means a ton of footage to edit and compress. Before having access to this kind of hardware, that process could take forever, especially waiting for videos to load or preview in real time. With the power of NVENC and NVDEC, everything changed. These are Nvidia's dedicated hardware-based encoder and decoder built right into the GPU. The GeForce RTX 50 series features the 9th generation NVENC encoder and the 6th generation NVDEC encoder, and they're a game changer. They handle video compression and decompression at incredible speeds, offering around a 60% faster export time compared to the previous generation. That means no more endless buffering or lag during playback. Inside Premiere Pro, we also take advantage of AI-powered features like scene edit detection, which automatically cuts footage into more manageable clips, and enhanced speech, which denoises audio and boosts clarity. Actually, here's a good example. Without access to tensor cores and enhanced speech, this is what I'd sound like. Pretty rough, right? Now imagine having to manually clean that up every single time. With Nvidia Studio acceleration, we just press a button and it's done. That kind of time savings is invaluable. We're constantly pushing our creative limits, and having the right hardware helps us to do exactly that. So a huge thank you to Nvidia for making this video possible. AI-powered tools accelerated by Nvidia Studio and GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs make so much of what we do here at Starforge faster, smoother, and more efficient, and let us unlock creativity without limits.